What's up guys, ItzAriaMHD here and welcome to the second channel, MHD Unplugged, where we don't even have an official intro or anything like that. Guys, if you are new to the second channel, welcome. My name is Aria. You guys may know me from my sneaker main channel, ItzAriaMHD. Here on MHD Unplugged, I'm going to be posting a lot of behind the scenes stuff, different types of videos, vlogs, challenges, all that sorts of thing. Again, I kind of told myself and you guys that I wasn't going to make this channel completely about sneakers, but obviously today I have an early unboxing for a pair. The lighting is really bad right now. I don't really know what it is, but again, this video is going to be super raw and uncut, and a lot of the videos that I post on this channel are probably going to be raw and uncut. So obviously you guys saw that I was able to acquire the 2021 Lightning 4s early for a review for you guys on the main channel. But because you guys are the loyal MHD fam who is subscribed to the second channel, I figured I would show you guys these before I show anybody. Before I show anybody on Instagram, before I show anybody on the main channel, I figured I would show you guys these, give you guys my own first impressions of the sneaker, and then you guys will see the full review of this sneaker and all that sorts of thing. But with all that being said, let's pop this box open and look at them in more detail. And here it is, guys, the Air Jordan 4 Lightning 2021. I don't really know what it is with today's lighting situation, everything with the camera. I'll have to look into that a little bit. But guys, all honesty, my first impressions of this sneaker is that this sneaker is absolutely beautiful. Quality is of what we kind of expect when it comes to Air Jordan 4s. The nubuck does feel nice on this specific sneaker as well. And I do think that Jordan Brand did a good job. This sneaker is actually set to release, I do believe, at the end of this month. And it is actually set to retail for more than the regular Air Jordan 4s. I think this one's supposed to retail for $225 instead of $200. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe like that is what it's going to retail for. I'm not really sure what the retail price in Canada is going to be. If I have to take a guess, it might retail for like maybe $280 plus tax, because that $25 markup in the US, Canada is going to be something similar along those lines. But all honesty, guys, really dope sneaker. I think this sneaker is amazing, and I honestly think Jordan Brand did a really good job with this sneaker, and I can't wait for the sneaker to drop, because I definitely want to pick up a personal pair for this one. Again, huge shout out to the homie who was able to plug me on these for an early look for you guys, as well as an early review and all that sorts of thing. Guys, this sneaker is awesome. Like, I can't really say much more other than that. There's a little outsole look if you guys were curious. But I figured I'd make this video, give you guys my first impressions of the 2021 Air Jordan 4 Lightning. We haven't seen the sneaker since 2006 or 2000 and somewhere. It was a long time ago, I could tell you that much. So many years later, Jordan Brand gives us this sneaker. A lot of people were not really feeling this gray right here, but all honesty, I think it looks fine. It kind of reminds me of like a cool gray Air Jordan 4, but with yellow instead of gray. A lot of the other hits and stuff are very similar, but all honesty, I don't think they could have did any better than this. This is already pretty good for the most part. Material is pretty nice, and a lot of people were saying that maybe these weren't going to be the most wearable. They're going to be hard to pull off, all that sorts of thing. But all honesty, I think I could pull off some really dope fits with this specific sneaker. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, as well as make sure you guys follow me over on Instagram. But there's not much more I can say other than that about this sneaker, guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the full in-depth review on the main channel. ItzAriaMHD, or the sneaker channel, even though I have been uploading sneaker content over here. But hey, you know what? MHD Unplugged, this channel is for me to post things that I normally wouldn't post on the main channel. And if I'm giving you guys the first impressions of a sneaker, then I'm going to post that for you guys, and you guys are going to watch and give me feedback and all that sorts of things. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of the Air Jordan 4 Lightning, as well as these kinds of videos. But that's pretty much going to do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Leave it in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think of this sneaker, as well as let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see here on the channel. Guys, again, I haven't been uploading on this channel as much as I wanted to. I do plan on uploading a lot more, but again, trying to manage the main channel with this one. And one thing I am going to point out, even though money is not super important, I don't even make money off of this channel, and it's going to be quite some time till I can actually monetize this channel and make some money off of it. So right now, any kind of footage or any kind of videos that I put up on this channel, I'm not making any money off of it. So that does take, it is a bit hard because you put in a lot of time to not make money when you can make money on the main channel. But again, I want to grow this channel for it to be as successful and all that sorts of thing as the main channel. So it's going to take some time. Time is going to be invested. I'm not going to be getting paid for that time. But again, it is what it is at the end of the day. Super dope sneaker nonetheless. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of it and what you guys would like to see on this channel in the upcoming future. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, as a lot of content coming your way. And I don't even have an official outro. So to keep things the same as the main channel, that's all I got for you guys today. And until next time, peace.